Hi everyone, welcome to another trade analysis. My duo trade dollar Swissy and pound yen, which I took yesterday. As I had highlighted earlier, the reasons on why I took the trade, later on the management of the trade, all towards the termination of the trade. So this is the final part of the video of the termination part of the trade. So as I do just a brief recap, this is dollar Swissy. We took a buy here on this upper side of this order block once price retraced towards that order block, and I did that analysis on the previous video I have uploaded explaining why I took the trade there, so I won't go much into it. Again, during the management, as this week closed weekly, this candle as it closed weekly after taking this liquidity here, I was kind of skeptical. I wasn't really sure if we were going to hit our target, so I had to secure my trade and be emotions free in this trade and just let it run. Again, I did another management video, trade management, explaining the reasons why I moved my stop loss to break even to secure my risk. I did that as this candle was trading. Then I just switched off the machine and let everything run, since no emotions were invested anyway. So later on, like 3 hours later, finally price gravitated towards my target, and that was good. Though I had highlighted on my trade entry video that I would push my TP way towards here, but I wasn't active as all this price action was happening. I was busy doing some other stuff, so I wasn't on the charts to see what the happenings of the video. Would I have been active on with the happenings after this candle closed? I would have just pushed my TP way higher to this space here, this fair value gap here, then wait and see what would have happened. But hey, it's better. We received a 2.6 reward, 2 times my risk, what I had risked for this trade. So it's a good week so far to end on a positive note, and it's good. I like it. So going on the pound yen pair, which I took, that one closed I think today. Yeah, today. With the partial profits that I had, as I had moved my stops. Though this one I was okay with it, with the flow and how it was flowing. Though after this move, I was active on the market at this time, as this candle really closed heavily up above here. So I didn't think we would gravitate way back lower stronger the way we did, but I'm glad that I had moved my stop loss to break even. I think it was on break even or something. I had secured some profits because there were two orders here. So by my stop loss being here, I had secured some profits, I think. Yeah, I had secured some profits because the first entry was here. The second entry is now where this thing is, and that's where my stop loss now came. So the profits of this first entry, plus of course some partial of this, they helped me secure some things, of which I'm glad. It's better than nothing, better than holding all the way down for my stop loss to be hit. And with these markets currently, how it's happening, there's no definitive, like definitive direction you can say that you want a long-term direction per se, that you can say you want to stick with it and see something fulfilled, because the market is a bit choppy. So whatever little you get, just be thankful of it, appreciate it, take it, and come and look for another one. So I'm happy, at least I secured my emotions yesterday on this pair, and yeah, this week has ended positive. Last week it ended fair. We didn't lose, we didn't make anything, but this week at least we've closed with something according to our plan. The most importantly is we followed our plan. Whatever I wanted to see happen happened, and I'm happy. Even as for this trade, if I had closed here, I would have had better profits, but I was okay. I was pretty much confident that we will come and take out this liquidity that was here, having in mind pound yen has been crazily bullish. So I don't know if we might, I don't know, but currently, basically on a Friday, I rarely take trades, not unless it's really a good setup that I can't really deny. I usually reflect on the trades that I've taken, the lessons that I've learned Friday, Saturday, then do a reflection video on a Sunday. So I don't think I'll participate anymore today. I'm done for the week. I'm okay. I'm happy with the profit that I've made this week. So soak it in, enjoy the weekend, then see what next week will unravel. So I'll still be checking the pairs, but I won't be active on them. Nothing will happen basically. I won't press any buttons. I'll just be on the sidelines waiting to see what will unveil, then be ready for next week. We start and see again in regards to where the market will close. But if we happen to close below here, then that will give the assurance the bearish tone is back. Though here we've changed direction by closing below here. So I wouldn't be looking for a trade basically. Since it's a Friday, I'll just let the week flow. Weekend usually tends to have some crazy and strange moves, so I don't want to have any open trades throughout the weekend. So I'll just wait for Monday. I'll do an analysis video. I usually do my analysis on weekends, share it with my students. Then I'll do so. The next video after this one will be the reflections, reflecting on these two trades, how the plan went by, what we learned, the lessons that we're going to take on to gear up for next week. So the next video will be the reflections video, either Sunday or Monday, one of those 2 days. Then an analysis video, probably Monday or Tuesday, in regards to how the analysis will be. If there is a possible setup on Monday, then the analysis video will drop on Monday. So with all that said, thanks for the one subscriber that I've seen has subscribed. Thanks for everyone who's taking their time and watching the videos. It's my hope and pleasure that we are going to learn something from these videos that I'll be uploading. It's helpful for me in one way or another, as I'm trying to gauge my accountability on staying disciplined in whatever that I'm doing. So it's like my journal as I'm doing here, and hoping that it's going to help someone else. Sorry for the chopper noise. And yeah, it's my prayer too that we are going to grow together, uplift someone, maybe motivate someone who's down somewhere, yeah, and lift each other up. So trading is better done as a community. If you try doing it alone, it will be hard on you. It's a very lonely field, so it's better if we do it as a community. So thanks for everyone who usually take their time and watch the videos. I really appreciate. Gives me the morale to keep doing it. At least I see there's some response coming. So with all said, have a blessed weekend, then let's catch up on the next video.